with that, let's get in and see what Chef Mark has in store for us.
Hi, my name is Mark, chef from Jungle Beach in Kumali here. So today what I'm going to do is, it's a small vegan salad. Ginger, a little bit of garlic, salad. So you can see the chickpeas are half cooked with tomato.
Then in Sinhala?
The salad leaves. Okay. Not too much. As you wish. It's ready, you can see that. Okay, this is our vegan salad. So I'm inviting everyone to come and enjoy our vegan salad.
Wow,
okay.
Thank you, Chef. This is gorgeous. It looks so delicious, and I love the creative way of using local ingredients and the different types of ways of putting this dish together that are like different components. And I've tried a few of these dishes that are similar, and all of it when it comes together gives such an amazing flavor. You can't imagine you're eating just a vegetarian or a vegan dish. It's actually mind-blowing. So definitely give this a try at home, and make sure you use whatever you have at hand as well as whatever you can find locally, because that's the essence of this kind of dish.